So what is FrogwatchUSA?
I'm guessing it's something that has to do with saving frogs in their environments.
It can help detect endangered species and how many species are out there and how many frogs are out there.
The FrogwatchUSA is a long-term volunteer-based monitoring program where volunteers go, select a wetland site, adopt it, and then make monitoring visits where they listen for the frogs and toads heard at those wetland sites. And it's a nation-based project. It's found in all 50 states. We've had monitoring data. And the reason that's possible is because it's what's known as a citizen science project. For citizen science, it allows and invites the general public in to collect data and get to areas where a small team of researchers wouldn't be able to get to.
So how does FrogWatch work?
My name is Nick Orozda, and I'm the new FrogWatch chapter coordinator here at the Rosamond Gifford Zoo. And this is a new program that we just started. So I've given a couple trainings now, and we've got some volunteers out in the field. Our training occurs in two 2-hour sessions. And the first one, we really start to teach the calls of frogs and toads, and volunteers take a CD home with them and learn the 14 local frog and toad calls to be tested when they return for the second training session. Participants are going to gain from this program a better appreciation for the natural environment by listening to frogs and toads, maybe in their own backyard or at a site where they're going to locate a swamp or a nearby wetland. The protocol is fairly strict. It's a 5-minute data collection protocol where the volunteer acclimates at the site for about 2 minutes, and then 3 minutes they're collecting data.
What makes FrogWatch so important?
So FrogwatchUSA is so important because we've recently, over the past 20 years or so, globally noticed a decline in amphibian species. In fact, there's a very well-known stat that about 1 out of 3 amphibian species known is endangered. We realized that we needed to go out, get data, and enhance our understanding, and then address this need. FrogwatchUSA invites everyone to kind of get involved in amphibian conservation.
North America, fortunately, hasn't been affected as much as the continent of Australia, South America, and Africa, that is with the chytrid fungus. Chytrid fungus is a relatively new genus of fungus, and it's depleting amphibian populations on these 4 continents. If we can keep tabs on local populations of frogs, that'll give us a better indication of the health, not only of the environment, because amphibians being an indicator species, if you've got a good solid population of amphibians around, you know that the quality in the environment, even if it's a small area, is pretty healthy.
So what do I get out of it?
Well, a lot of our participants tell us that they like frogs and toads, and that's a great place to start. We like to enhance understanding of frogs and toads. We put forth a lot of information about what's going on globally, nationally, and then locally, and they actually get to go out and learn what can be found in their area. And then they're contributing to this nationwide data set. They're contributing real science and real data that can then be applied in this very necessary amphibian conservation movement. And it's fun, too.